Welcome, here I've got Realme 7i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right with settings, so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit to the photo category. At the third place here we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can turn on the camera grid lines or turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview to see them, and as you can see we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I tap to this button from the left to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap to the right corner once again, then to the settings button, slide a little bit to the photo category and use this button with grid to turn them off. And for now, in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.